Right, hello everybody, a quick walk around. Today's progress is fuel hoses to the filter, heater plugs fitted and wired in, if I come around here you have to excuse the mess. I work in a sea of spanners. Grab them. New radiators in and the intercooler refitted. Done that so that I can plumb in the oil cooler, which is those pipes there. Bled the diesel up through to the injectors. Temporarily connected the battery. I have already spun the engine over to make sure the oil light goes out. So this is the moment of truth. The oil light, alternator light, glow plug light. There we go. So we won't get too carried away because there's no water in it, but it goes, so that's good news. I'll have a quick look around for leaks now, and then when I've satisfied myself that everything's all right, I shall put some coolant in the radiator, and then I'll allow it to run up to temperature. All right, thanks, cheers, bye bye.